Alright people, welcome back to the channel. Name is Gabriel. So by now, if you trade prop firms, I'm sure you have noticed that most of the prop firms are migrating from MetaTrader 5 to Match Trader. So in this video, I'm going to show us how to use Match Trader, and I'll be using B funding Match Trader platform to illustrate to us how to use the Match Trader trading platform. So we're going to cover how to open trades, we're going to cover how to put pending orders for those of us that use limit orders, and we're going to cover the whole interface of the trading platform. Let's get started. All right guys, so on Thursday I got another payout from B funding. I believe those of us that are in my Telegram, you saw when I posted it. This is the screenshot. Okay, so I posted this payout on Telegram. So for those of you who are still asking, is B funding legit? Do they pay out? I'm sure this is already an answer for you. It's left for you to determine if you want to be in it, or you want to, you understand. There's a video I made on this channel that I spoke about B funding, and I talked about Trustpilot. All right. So I read few comments from people who already are saying stuff about B funding, and also I brought to the notice of everyone that I don't care about what the Trustpilot is saying, because if you are smart enough in this era, this age that we are right now, you cannot just say because a platform is not on Trustpilot, which they are because you didn't make your research, which they are on Trustpilot. You can't say because a platform is not on Trustpilot, they are not legit. And you cannot say because a platform is on Trustpilot, so they are legit. You are supposed to be wise enough now. That's why I just apologies for the comment, but I just told you you're not supposed to be trading, because if you are not wise, if you are not smart enough to get this by now, bro, you are a long way. You understand? So being on Trustpilot doesn't justify anything, no matter the number of stars that is on Trustpilot. It doesn't justify anything, because whatever is on Trustpilot can be bought and can be sold. People can be paid, bots can be paid to go and comment on Trustpilot. So please know that Trustpilot is not where you should buy your legitness from. Also in that video, I made mention of, if you know you have a negative or any type of experience, even positive experience with B funding, please come to me. Let's talk about it, and then let me get to see, because I already know people, and myself, I am, one of those who have been paid from B funding. I got paid. My last pay was on Thursday. I just mentioned that. This is the screenshot still. So I know people who are getting paid out from this profile. Those of you that are complaining, or those of you that are scared, if you have had any negative experience, please don't forget to look in the description. My WhatsApp number is there. Communicate with me. Let's see why and what is going on. The last guy that communicated with me, we ended up identifying his fault. Alright guys, so this is the email you get from B funding as soon as you pay for an account. Alright, so they're going to send you the link, the URL link to their trading platform. You can see it there, platform.bfunding.com/logins. Then your email address that you have used to register an account with B funding is going to be the email address that you will be given as a login ID. Alright, then they will generate the password and send it to you. So they're going to send it to you as email like that. So once you click on this particular login platform, based on the browser you have on your phone, it's going to suggest you to open on your browser, right? So I'm going to open it quickly on the browser here on my Safari. So once you open like that, you can see over there, they'll tell you um email and then the password. You can see at the base there's a B part, become a part of the Match Trader community. So you can see that this is a Match Trader platform. All right, I'm not going to log in already. I'm not going to log in again because I already have it on my phone. So if you want to have it on your phone, like for me, if I go out and you can see on my application here, I have it on my phone already. You can see that the base, you have it B funding. If you want to have it on your phone like that, it seems like an application. You just have to click on the share button here if you use an iPhone. I don't know. So you just have to click and then add it to home screen. That is what I did. I was able to have it on my phone like that. All right. So I'm gonna go there because I'm already logged into that. I'm gonna click on it to open, and you can see how the interface looks like. All right. So I trade synthetic index, and I already have my indexes lined up. This is my watch list. 101x, 10 index, 101x, the 10 index 1s, 25 index, 75 1s, and VIX 10. These are the indexes that I'm currently trading. So you can see how it is. It looks like so. If you want to place a trade on any of these things, right? Well, this is the favorite. Okay, so this is like where my watch list is, or where my watch list are. So you're gonna see all of the symbols, or all of the things that are provided by this particular prop firm. You click on all symbols. Once you click on all symbols, you can see everything that BFAMing or any of the problem you're going to be trading on MyTrader they provide for you. You're going to click on all symbols to see it. So you can see we have commodity, we have crypto, we have forex, which is FX, and then we have popular. The popular is like the major currency pairs and stuff that are really popular among traders. And then this is synthetic index. All right. So if I click on the commodity, you can see that we have stuff like gold and all of those stuff that are commodity, right? Gold, silver, and all of that. They are here as commodity. If I click on crypto, those of us that are conversant with crypto, you can see all of the cryptocurrencies are also lined up here, right? So all of the cryptocurrencies that are tradable on Deriv, sorry, on B funding platform are lined up here. Now, FX also, we have every currency pair that is traded in the forex market under FX. These are the things that B funding provides. So popular, under popular, like I said, there are the things that people are conversant with trading: USD, GPUSD. Majority of traders are trading these guys. XAU, which is gold, and XAG silver, GPJPY, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then USD. These are the major forex pairs with popular stuff that people trade. And under synthetic, which is our own focal point, these are all of the indexes they offer. Boom 1000. That is what they just put a name. The name is abbreviated in their own platform. All right. So B1000 is Boom 1000, B300 is Boom 300, B500 is Boom 500, C1000 is Crash. The C's are all of the crashes, and 1300 and 500, just like on the Rift platform. And also you can see jump 10, jump 100, jump 25, jump 50, jump 75. So those are the jump indexes. Now volatility indexes, you can see we have the 10 one is, the 100 one is, 150, 200, 150, 200 one is, 25, 25 one is, 250 one is, 300 one is, 50 index, 150, 51 is index, 75 and 75 1x. I think these are all of the volatility index around the reef. Yeah. So all of these volatility index, they move the same way. The price movement are the same as that on the Deriv platform. Now let's illustrate. I'm going to be using this one on Deriv MT5 to illustrate, to show us that what is here is exactly what happens. Now, for those of us that trade step index, on the Reef right now, they are index like step index 200. All right. So the only step index that is here on this platform is the step index, the one that was just step 100. That is the only step index that is here on this platform. If you click on any of the indexes or any of the stuff, you can see that you are going to be able to buy and sell. Now, one of the nice things about this particular people or the platform is that they allow you to trade lot sizes that are way smaller than that of the reef. Step index on the reef, the minimum lot size is 0.1, but here you can go 0.001. So if you have you are able to actually put your risk very minimal to cater for long-term trading plan. All right. So pending orders, this is for market execution. If you want to sell immediately, you can just click on sell. If you want to buy, you just click on buy after analyzing whatever you want to do. You can set the loss size to whatever you want. That is the volume in the middle. So you can also add stop loss. You can see if you click on stop loss, if I put numbers now, I'll be able to add. If I click on the plus at the take profit, it's going to also be the same thing. And on the chart itself, you are going to be able to drag. You can see if I drag the stop loss or take profit anywhere, it's going to let me place it, and then I just have to confirm it, and that is all. Right. So if you have open trades, they're going to be placed at the base here. Now let's talk about the chart itself, or let's first of all let's talk about pending orders. So you can also add pending orders here if you are using limit orders. So buy limit, this is sell stop and buy limit, right? That's because of where price is currently. So if I move my limit up, I move my pending order up, you can see it becomes sell limit and buy stop. Understand? Buy stop is price you buy to that level, tag me in and continue buying, right? Then sell limit is price to get to that level, right? And then sell there so that price can write down. That is what sell limit is. So you can put your price to anything, you can edit it and write the sell limit price to whatever you want to put it. And you can put your stop loss, you can see it right there, and you can put your take profit as well. So let's talk a little bit about the chart interface itself. Now, if I click at this expand icon over here at the top right, you can see that it has bring me to what the expanding version of this whole platform. So when you are on this expanded platform, we have a little bit of the tools that you can use for analysis. If I click on the pencil at the top, you can see we have vertical line, we have channel, which is like people that trade price pattern. We have horizontal line, if you want to mark out support and resistance. Then we have trend line, and also we have Fibonacci. So for trend line, for those people that those of us that use trend line, if you are trading Falcon, you can see you can simply use their trend line here. You can simply do analysis on it, just like the way we. So some people prefer to analyze on MT5. You can see. So this is a good price pattern for a buy for those of us who are looking at price pattern structures, right? So you can use it. The Fibonacci is also there. You can also use the Fib, just like it is on the MetaTrader 5, right? And there are places for indicators. Look at the F, whatever there. So you can choose whatever indicator you want. You can see we have a lot of them here. RSI, Bollinger Bands, and all of that. For those of us that trade with indicator, you can use any of those indicator you prefer. So here you can decide to put the grids and whatever, and you can decide to show positions on the chart or not show positions. So this is one of the open trade I had earlier. You can see at the top there, the position was open, right? I showed position, so it shows you your running profit or loss at the side of it. You can see it there, all right? So if I click on this one, it's for the for you to be able to identify levels. That is what it does. That's what it does. So if I go back, then we are here again. All right. So this is it. So you come to all symbols, right? If you want to add pairs to your watch list here, you come to all symbols. Once you click on it, you can see the stars by the side of this in the of these commodities. Let's go to synthetics. So you can see the stars by the side. So let's say I want to add jump 10. I just click on the star and then it is added to. You can see symbol was added to favorite. If I come here, you can see jump 10 has been added to my chart. So if you want to also trade directly, you just click and just do exactly as we have illustrated. So for those of us that trade forex, they provided us with calendar. You can see at the top here, there's calendar. You can see you're going to be seeing all of the news that is available for the day if you trade the forex market, all of the economic stuff that is happening. You can see the impact, the green. You can see the one that is of low impact. You can see the one that is of very high impact. You can see red, right? So that is how it works around here. You can see top movers. These top movers are kind of like things that are trending. They are mostly cryptocurrencies. So it helps you keep track with cryptocurrency price movements. So that's how things are going, and that's how things are on this particular MyTrader platform. So this is the basic platform. If you want to see your account size and all of that, you click at the profile at the top here. You can see my account. I'm trading. This is one of my $500 account I have with them. Is the 10x leverage account. So if you want to buy an account, look in the link in the description to sign up if you are yet to sign up. So you can see $500. You can see whatever there, right? That is how you see your account size. Or you want to see your equity when profit is running. You just want to see. That is how you click on the profit. You see it. So if you have open positions, they're going to be here, right? If you have pending orders, they're going to be here. You can see that the base position. So if you want to look at your price, your trading history, you can also look at it at the base. So the last time I traded, I think was yesterday. So if I want to look at that, I just have to click like 7 days. You can see these are just been the trade I placed on this particular account. I just got it like a few days ago after my payout. I decided to buy another account because they were doing some discount. So that's it, right? This is the history. You can check for you can check for 25 for 24 hours. Finance and everything is going to show you your performance. And for the account, if you click on your account, you're going to see you can edit your profile, you can reset the account to to the basic balance. And this inbox, if you breach your account, they're going to send you an inbox as well. So if you want to change from dark to the light theme, you can change it if you don't like the dark theme. For me, I prefer the dark one. So you can see it here. This is my account number, and it's telling you that this is a leverage account. So guys, this is roughly everything about MyTrader on the Beat funding platform. So this QR code at the base is when you want to sign up to your PC, you want to just log in your platform to your PC, you click on it and then it will ask you to scan this code. The code, the QR code will be generated on your PC. You scan it and you'll be able to log into MyTrader on your PC. So guys, I hope this has been helpful. This is how the B funding platform is, and this is my own watch list, and you can see all of the indexes that are available there. So let's compare price with the synthetic index on the reef. All right, because many of you are like, why are you calling it the reef synthetic index? Or are you sure it's actually providing the same stuff? Are you sure price is the same and blah blah blah? So, like I said earlier, this one, the lot sizes are more friendly compared to that of the reef, so you can put your risks more minimal. Here, you can see they are allowing 0.01 for VIX 10 one s. VIX 10 one s minimum lot size on the reef is 0.5. But here, you can go 0.01 to keep your risk smaller, right? And most of the indexes are around 0.01 actually. I think it's only step index that is going 0.001 because the no step index is way volatile. So look at the spread. Look at the spread. So VIX 100 one is having 42, VIX 10 is having 23. This might be where there'll be a little bit of difference because personally I've never paid attention to this, but also I've never had issue with it because when I trade it is fine for me. I don't really bother about it. All right. So let's quickly compare price with that of the real synthetic index so that we can be sure, so that you guys can be sure because I know they trade the same way, the same candle movement, everything is the same, so that you guys can see that it works the same way. So let's just look at 100 1s index. All right. So let's go to a prominent time frame. Okay, I like to trade on the 5 minute time frame, right? So guys, you can see how the 5 minute time frame is currently looking on B funding, right? So you can see how the 5 minute time frame is currently looking on B funding. So let's quickly go to MetaTrader 5 and let's see how 101 is 5 minute time frame looks. And you can see if they are the same or not. So you can see this is the 5 minute time frame. Can you guys see? This is the 5 minute time frame um on 101 is deriv MT5. You can see how the 5 minute time frame looks, and this is the 5 minute time frame on MetaTrader B funding. This is the same candle, everything is the same. You can see that, right? Everything is the same. Look at it very well. This is the MT5 for the reef. This is MyTrader for B funding. Everything is the same. They move alike. So let's look at another index to, let's look at let's say jump 10. Let's say jump 10. Let's open the chart and look at the 5 minute. All right, this is 5 minutes for jump 10. Let's go and hustle the 5 minutes for jump 10 on deriv MT5. So this 5 minutes for jump 10 on deriv, you can see, right? You can see this is 5 minutes on B funding. You can see, and this here, here, this 5 minutes for deriv on MetaTrader 5. So they offer the same stuff. Let's take a look at the spread. So for VIX 101 the spread is 26, right? On deriv MT5. Let's look at B funding spread. It's 42. I think that is the only place that is going to be a problem because, like, the difference, not actually a problem. So the difference is kind of like coming from maybe the spread. Let's let it load. Okay, 42. 101 is VIX 101 is for B funding. The spread is 42. For deriv, the spread is 26. 75 one is the spread is 199 for deriv. On B funding, the spread is 165. You can see that this one is lower than the reef. So that's how it is, man. The stuff is cool. The program is nice, and they're paying out. For those of you in the Telegram, you have seen my payout. I hope this video have cleared some of the doubts that we have for those of us, because this B funding platform, I think you cannot actually get it unless you already buy an account with them. Though there's a section on their website that say free trial. I've never tried it. I only tried it when they were using the MT5. But since then, since they came up with this match trader, I've never tried it. But For those of us that have been looking to see inside the platform and how it looks like, I'm sure you can see now. It's a lot easier as it is on MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that was informative. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please support by subscribing and say your comment in the comment section. If you want to request any video, if you have any questions to ask me and anything you want me to talk about, please don't forget to request it in the comment section. Thanks for watching and stay high.